What's up, my Nora Elementary 5th graders? It is week 6. We are continuing our jump rope lesson. It is Mr. Dalton. Oops. Our IB profile is courageous. So boys and girls, it's important to be courageous and show your courage and try things that are outside of your comfort zone. Just like jumping rope right now, boys and girls, it's not easy. It's hard. Are you going to give up though when things get hard? No. You will never learn how to do things if you just always give up when things get hard. It takes practice, and you have to be independent, okay, and work on this on your own time and extra, okay, boys and girls, if you want to get good at it. Vocabulary today: double jump. 5th graders, what do you think double jump means? How many jumps do you think we're going to do when we double jump? Who? Yep, good job. Somebody said it out there. I heard it. 2. Just like if we go to McDonald's and order a double cheeseburger, Mr. Dalton expects to get how many cheeseburgers? 2 cheeseburgers, right? Our skill today is jump rope, continued. So, I got done just warming up and doing our kindergarten lesson. I need you now, 5th grade, to go and practice your independence. Go do a 1-minute warm-up, please. Complete our stretches. And then select 2 dynamic stretches to do. And get your jump rope and come back to me, all right? Boys and girls, all you're going to do first thing today is simple. You're going to lay your jump rope out just like that, all right? Now, first things first, we're going to keep our feet together. And watch what we're going to do. Did I touch the jump rope? No, watch again. See how Mr. Dalton's feet are together? I want you to do that, okay? Go. Now, boys and girls, 5th grade, we're going to try the double jump. How many times do you think we're going to jump? Twice. Good job. Just like this. 1, 2. See how Mr. Dalton did not touch his rope? Now we're going to go back. Good. Now, boys and girls, to make it harder if you want to, you can go backwards. Good. Now, boys and girls, for the next thing, I want you to pick up your jump rope, put it behind you. Boys and girls, we should have a good grip on our jump rope. Now we're going to be talking about the turn, okay? Once you have a good grip on your jump rope and about waist level, we're going to make a big circle with our arms like this. See how the jump rope starts behind us, and I make a big circle. It comes right in front. Then we're simply going to step over it. Okay, I want you to do that 10 times. Big circle, step over. Big circle, step over. Big circle, step over. Then, boys and girls, when you have that, you can try this next. Big circle, jump. Big circle, jump. Look at that. Big circle, jump. Big circle, jump. Good. Now, boys and girls, you can try a double jump while we're waiting. So, big circle jump. And we're going to double jump in between it while we're making our big circle. Okay? So it's kind of hard. So we're going to do more than one spin. We're going to keep going with our arms. Ready? Jump, jump, jump. 2, 2. See how Mr. Dalton's jumping twice in between? Watch him again. We're going to start in the back. Big circle to start. Jump. 1, 2. Jump. 1, 2. See how Mr. Dalton's doing his double jump, boys and girls, like we talked about? And I'm making big circles with my arms, nice and slow. Good job. Can you do that? Then, boys and girls, once you've been independent and practiced that, once you've got the big circles down, you can kind of speed up That was fast. Fifth grade, I hope some of you can get that fast, and you've been practicing. I love you and miss you all so much, and I hope to see you soon. Peace out from the Panther Cub Gym. Peace!